Are you ready to finally post your own NFTs? Hey there, my name is Joshua Marchand and I'm an NFT creator. In my last video, I showed you step by step how to create your own collection on OpenSea. In this video, we are going to fill that new collection with your own NFTs that you have created. Welcome back to your OpenSea profile. Now, just like last time, you want to head over to your collections, click the collection you want to post your new NFT to. You will see three little dots. Click that and go to Add Item. Just like before when you created your collection, you must answer a series of questions about this NFT you are going to post. The first question is posting the NFT itself. You can post an image, video, audio, or 3D models. Then give the NFT a name and a detailed description. Note that the description you said when creating the collection will be attached to this NFT, so make sure you go into more detail or say something completely different than what you have said before. Next, attach this NFT to a collection. I do need to point out that in my last video, I said you could post a standalone NFT without creating a collection. I was wrong. You must create a collection to attach this NFT to. Okay, moving on. The next series of questions is about adding filters to your collection. You can add properties, levels, or even stats, so buyers can filter through your collection easier. Next, the great unlockable content button. If you have been following along, you may have remembered how important this button is to your NFT. Without going into too much detail, since I've already done that, this button in my opinion is a must-have for all of my NFTs. This button adds more to your NFT than just the NFT itself. In this section, only the buyers of this NFT can read it, so adding this to your NFT can add a bit of mystery to it. Ooh. Lastly, there is a button add-on to whether your NFT you are about to post has any explicit or sensitive content in it. Remember, this must be clicked if it does. Now there are only two questions left. You need to decide how many copies of this NFT you want to mint. Keep in mind that depending on what blockchain you want to mint this NFT to will decide how much your gas fee is going to be. So when you answer the last question, make sure you understand blockchains and what blockchain is best for you and this NFT you are posting. I know I have said this many times, but if you don't know what a blockchain is or anything about gas fees, don't worry. I will go over them in detail after my next video. If you don't want to wait, you can always go to YouTube to learn more. Once all of the questions have been answered, click the Create button at the bottom of the page. You have now successfully uploaded your own NFT to OpenSea, but you are not finished. You may have noticed we didn't answer any questions about price. That is because we have not set this NFT up for sale yet. We have only posted it, so in my next video we will go over how to set this NFT up for sale. See you next time on What the Hell is an NFT? I want to point out that these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant to be financial advice. Make sure before you invest in any NFTs or crypto you do your own research.